Hi, I'm Mia.
I'm Ned.
We're the interior design lecturer here in Raffles Jakarta.
What are your thoughts on this image? Looks very well made, doesn't it? Now, imagine being able to create something like this from scratch with our interior design studies here at Raffles Jakarta. Let's look into the initial stage of learning interior design at Raffles Design Jakarta. You'll begin by mastering the art drawing, starting with the object of progressing with various perspective views, experimenting with different mediums from pencil and ink pens to watercolor paints. Starting from freehand and technical drawing, this is also where you be able or embark on your design journey.
In the first design studio, you'll learn how to design residential, also done step by step. From research for the first assessments, programming and planning of the residential, and finally, the design on the last assessment. The final assessment also consists of all aspects, the layout, the material, the lighting, etc. In year 2, you will be more skillful and knowledgeable. You'll start learning how to use computer software to draw and design. Besides that, you'll learn different programs. Each program will be taught step by step, as well from the easiest to the most complicated. Modeling and rendering simple furniture to bigger and various rooms, from still images to animation. Computer software for drawing and designing will also be taught progressively from basic to advanced, enabling you to model and render simple furniture to complex rooms, even transforming from still images into animation. As your skills evolve, so will your designs. The next challenge lies in retail design, where you'll explore brand awareness, business strategies, and marketing tactics. Researching the brand becomes crucial, and you'll need to apply your findings into your design while still considering standard interior elements such as color, material, and lighting. Designing offices may seem straightforward, but it presents its own set of challenges, from understanding corporate image to catering to employee behaviors and activities. Every aspect needs consideration to achieve the desired outcome.
When designing restaurant spaces, become larger and function more specialized, with aspects like the kitchen design becoming a main design focus. To enhance your learning experience, extracurricular activities such as guest lectures and field trips are often organized to better understand this area of studies. The most significant project, Major Studio Project, spans across the terms. This project is designed to shape your mindset, be organized and structured, preparing you for success in the industry.
Portfolio will be arranged from a compilation of 2 years of your schoolwork. Your lecturers will guide you from choosing the precise projects through the process to achieving the optimum result, and how the portfolio will affect the future shape of students in the interior design industry. For this portfolio's first step is to look for an internship place. The portfolio showcases a designer's journey and accomplishments. You will curate projects, refine processes, and understand how your portfolio shapes your future in the interior design industry.